Hi friends, do you know about Satvik diet? The Satvik diet focuses on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, millets, sprouts and nuts. Today we are going to make Satvik food diet with pearl millets. So here I am taking 1 cup of idli rice, 1 cup of pearl millets, half cup of urad dal and half a teaspoon of fenugreek. Wash and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. It's soaked well. Now we are going to grind it with red dry chilies and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add soaked millets and rice. Add enough water to grind it. Once done, remove from the wet grinder and keep it in the bowl. After 6 hours, add some salt and mix it nicely. Now the batter is ready to make idlis and dosa. Now I am going to make idlis with that. Pour the batter in the idli mold and steam it for 10 minutes. These pearl millet idlis are very healthy. This idli is packed with potassium, magnesium, protein and some carbohydrates. Let it steam. Meanwhile, I am going to make dosas. This batter is little thick. We need to make it little watery to make crispy dosas. So here I am adding little water. Mix it nicely. Now it's ready to make dosas. First grease the dosa pan. Then make crispy dosas. Sprinkle some oil on dosa to get crispiness. Cook on high flame. Once it turns golden brown, flip into other side. Now this dosa looks golden and crispy. Remove from the pan and it's ready to serve. Today I made tomato chutney and sambar. I'm going to serve it with this. Let's check how the pearl idlis came out. Wow, it's good. It's perfectly steamed well. Let's remove from this. Sprinkle some water on this and remove after it gets cooled down.